Slinky Dog! Here we go! Oh, yes!
I might have got you warm.
No, girl, this is the best part! Girl, it was where we slink up, girl! Are you ready? Are you ready?
No. I got it over.
Yeah, girl!
Here we go.
Here we go!
Okay guys, we are riding the alien saucers.
do everything around here. This is... Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed. You let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? No, the First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do Smugglers Run.
Here, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons.
Hit your button.
You better be faster when we get to the trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly down. And push forward to fly down. Watch it. Makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coax out. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
Pull the lever! Pull the lever!
Yes! Keep shooting! They locked onto us! Take evasive action! There it is! After that train! Flight engineers! Fire the harpoon! Excellent! Now, gunner! Shoot the cargo free! Left pilot, brakes! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one! Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I grab the go axial. You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Pilots, into the center. Do you see those big white rings? Would you fly through them? Well, it's harder than it looks. Gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. I've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
Now!
It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. you retrieve one container of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Ooh, that was rough.
opinion? Slinky Dog, front or back?
I like front.
You like both?